Hillbilly Pyro here again, and we're going to try a little evening flight with the cx20 cheerson with the searchlight engaged. Alright, man, on you. The cheerson is a peppy little beast. You already getting a low battery warning?
No. Peaks if you go 50%.
Yeah, that's got to go.
Why would that be a feature?
Should be able to program that out in the ground station software.
Thing drops like a stone too there.
Mine does not. It takes its time. Or the 380 I was just flying, it takes its time coming down. Sometimes a quick descent can save you. Sometimes it can screw you too.
He has the headlight so we don't have any more of those unfortunate oak tree attacks.
Yeah, the oak tree attack sucked, man. That oak tree come out of nowhere. I come up there to make fun of you, and then I get taken in by the same oak tree. It killed us both.
Hey, better batteries in that light. It's so dark, you'll be able to see.
Try to get my buddies Ray Compton and the Pyro dude into flying drones and stuff like this. I'm like, dude, y'all gonna have a ball if you get together and get into this, because it is a lot of fun. Especially when you live in a place where there's not a whole lot to do. And West Virginia is famous for not having a whole hell of a lot to do. Especially in the winter. Summertime here, it's beautiful. Winter sucks. Gotta buy colorful things from China that fly in the sky to make me happy or explode or do some shit. I don't know. But I feel better now than I have, so there's that. And it's not raining, and it's not snowing. And I'm not fooling with that stupid car anymore. Until like June. Like I said, when life gives you lemons, blow something up. Responsibly, though. No crazy stuff. Oh, so close, but yet failed. Damn. Alright, well, that was a good flight otherwise. Hillbilly Pyro out. Props for catching hill today, boys.
No breakage.
Yeah, let's look first.